Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopper block, I'm going to be teaching you guys, that's right, how to make a buttermilk fried chicken with bacon. Better than Chick-fil-A. But this is the Chick-fil-A sauce, guys. And you guys can buy this at Walmart, okay? So that's what we're going to be making. I have some buns right here. I have some chicken right here, been marinating in buttermilk and hot sauce. I have some peppers, not no peppers, but some pickles right here. Have an onion, and all this stuff is optional. Tomato and some lettuce right here. All right, and this is my seasoning right here. Check this out. I did make another recipe. It's called buttermilk with hot sauce or whatever. I'm gonna leave you that recipe to the ingredients for this flour. Okay, so just look down in the description and it'll be there for you. Okay, all right. This is going to be a quick little video. So here's my buttermilk with my chicken. Now these chicken's kind of thick, so I'm going to leave this in the bag, but I'm going to try to break it down a little bit. Like pound it out, and I know you guys don't want to hear me pounding on camera. See what I mean? So that's pretty loud. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on camera, and I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Here's my chicken breast. I already flattened them as much as I wanted to. We're just going to take these bad boys, put it up in this flour. Like so. Only difference between this flour and the other flour I used, the other one was like bread flour. This is just regular flour, like self-rising flour. I try to smash mine down up in here, like so, for it to get coated real good. Alright, that's how that looks. We're going to take this over to the fryer. I'm going to start frying this stuff up. I need to put my bacon in that oven. My bacon is over here in the cut, right here. I know I just showed you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven. And go ahead and start frying up this chicken. So you guys are over there by the deep fry in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm going ahead and start dropping the chicken breast in there. Nice and gentle. I'm at 350. Just like that. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and cook that. It ain't going to take long at all because the buttermilk helps break down that protein. So it should take no more than about 8 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so we're trying to pull this chicken. We just let it sit for a while. That's the chicken. Alright. We're just going to let this sit up for about 5-10 minutes. While we wait on our bacon, we'll put all this stuff together. I did cut up the tomatoes and the onions, and took the lettuce and hooked those up over there. So we'll be all set when we come to the table. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I did have some cheese in there, so I went ahead and got some Swiss cheese. I'm just going to put on there, okay? It's optional. I just want some on mine, alright? So first thing we're going to do, we're going to come in here with some bacon on this Swiss cheese. I think I'm going to just put 2 on that one because I'm going to use that other bacon to make me some sandwiches. Alright? Alright guys. So now that we got that on there, we need to come in here with some lettuce. Must be starving or something. My stomach growling. You guys can't hear it, but I know it. Alright. We're going to come in here with a few onions. Just a little bit here and there. Not a lot. It just depends on how much onion you like. Alright. We're going to come in with our tomato. One nice sized tomato. like so. We're gonna come in here with our chicken. Put that on there. These some big chicken breasts. Like that. This one on here. Taste this piece. This is good, guys. Guys can eat that piece right there. If I can get this focus. Right there, guys. You guys will have that bite. Super good. Alright. Get back to the subject. Come with this the sauce. Come with some pickles. Much as you want. All right. Put this top on there. There you have it, right there, guys. Buttermilk fried chicken sandwich with bacon. Better than you know it. That's right. Better than them. And go ahead and set this up and show you guys how it looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm finally done with this with this buttermilk fried chicken sandwich with bacon. All right, better than Chick-fil-A. All right, let me show you that up close, guys. All right. That's how that looks. And guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell for me. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Veil Dogg's Kitchen. Much love to you, and God bless all.